Hello guys, how are you? In this video, we're going to deal with the fill in the blanks type questions of electric charges and fields. Chapter number 1, Physics, class 12th. So without any further ado, let's start with the video. Question number 1 says the force between the 2-point charges dash when dielectric constant of the medium is which they are held increases. So the answer is decreases. So the force between the 2-point charges decreases when the dielectric constant of the medium in which they are held increases. Question number 2. When a dielectric medium is placed in a uniform electric field, the electric constant of the medium is the ratio of dash of the medium to the dash of space. So the answer is absolute permittivity and absolute permittivity again. So the fill in the blanks became when a dielectric medium is placed in a uniform electric field, the electric constant of the medium is the ratio of the absolute permittivity of the medium to the absolute permittivity of the free space. Sorry about the tongue slip. So question number 3 says two identical charges are placed at a distance of 2a apart as shown in the figure. The potential energy of the positively charged particle is placed at the midpoint O will be. So the answer is minimum. So the fill in the blanks become two identical charges are placed at the distance 2a apart as shown in the figure. The potential energy of the positively charged particle placed at the midpoint O will be minimum. So question number 4 says the number of electric lines of force that radiate outwards from 1 coulomb charge is. As you can see, the answer is given as 1.13 into 10 to the power 11 lines, and the hint is also given. As you can see, we are using E into dx which is equals to q upon epsilon naught, and we are placing the values and we are getting the answer as 1.13 into 10 to the power 11 lines, electric field lines. Dash is a central force in nature. Electrostatic force is central force in nature. So these are all of the important fill in the blanks that can be made from electric charges and fields for now. And next part of the fill in the blanks will be coming soon. So if you like this video and want to see more, be sure to smash the like button and get subscribed. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.